In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Google Workspace admin account. We'll go step by step so you understand not just what to click, but why each step matters and how to avoid accidentally locking yourself or your organization out of important settings. First, before you delete any admin account, you need to make sure there is at least one other super admin in your Google Workspace. Google doesn't allow you to delete the last remaining super admin because that role has full control over your organization, billing, security, and user management. Without at least one super admin, you wouldn't be able to properly manage your workspace. So start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with your current admin account. Once you're in, go to the Users section. Here you'll see a list of all the users in your organization. Find the person you want to make a super admin, click on their name to open their account details. On the Users page, look for Admin Roles and Privileges. Open that section, you'll see different admin roles that can be assigned. Locate the super admin role and assign it to this user. Make sure the changes are saved. At this point, you now have another super admin in place, which means it's safe to move on. If you already had another super admin set up, you can skip this part and go directly to removing roles from the account you want to delete. Next, before you can delete the admin account, you need to revoke its admin roles. This step is important because it cleanly removes all administrative permissions and helps avoid confusion later about who has control over your workspace. From the admin console, go back to Directory, then Users. Find the admin account you plan to delete and click on it to open the user's details. Again, navigate to the Admin Roles and Privileges section. Here, you'll see a list of roles assigned to this user, such as super admin or any other custom or predefined roles. One by one, toggle all of these role switches to off. This removes every admin level permission from that account. Double check that nothing is left enabled. When you're sure everything is turned off, save your changes. At this moment, the user is no longer an admin. They're just a regular user account in your organization. Now that you have at least one other super admin and you've removed all admin roles from the account, you're ready to delete the user. Still on the same user details page, look for the More Options menu, click it and select Delete User. Google may ask you to confirm this action, and depending on your settings, you might see options about data handling, like transferring ownership of files or emails to another user. Make sure you understand where that data should go before confirming so nothing important is lost. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, the user account, along with its admin access, is removed from your Google Workspace. You now have a clean, secure setup with at least one remaining super admin in control and the old admin account fully deleted.